We've got a big day coming up tomorrow, guys. As many of you know, it's the Digital Assets Conference. All of you need to just let me know in the comments what direction you think the market is going to turn by the end of tomorrow. And again, if you're not subscribed already, please help me on my journey. You guys support me more than you can imagine. Click that subscribe button. Let's get it. Okay, I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm nervous. I'm nervous for tomorrow because I just can't foresee which direction the market is going to turn. Is it going to be a sell the news event? Is it going to be a buy the news event? I think the majority of people do think it's going to be a sell the news event. And again, Ethereum is not looking too good. So while Bitcoin may react positively, I haven't got the biggest of hopes for Ethereum. However, with that being said, this is the list of people that are going to be attending the Digital Assets Conference tomorrow. So we all need to be locked in live and direct. Again, another reason for you to be subscribed because I am going to be covering this tomorrow. Maybe we'll go live as well. If you want me to go live, let me know. But you're seeing a list of all the people here. Obviously, you've got Vitalik, you've got Brian Armstrong of Coinbase, CZ is going to be there, Kathy Wood, Michael Saylor, Charles Hoskinson. Guys, we've got everybody there, and many of you are going to realize that it's pretty US crypto heavy. Okay, so are things like ADA, Solana, XRP going to see the biggest of gains? I mean, ADA and XRP have been doing really well off all of the bullish news. We need ETH to start turning around, in my opinion. Whether it does or not, only time will tell. But again, all comments right now, let me know. Are we going up tomorrow? Or is this going to be a massive sell the news event? Even if it is, the market isn't looking overly bearish compared to where it was maybe this time last week. Yeah, prices for a lot of our altcoins are at lows. However, you're looking at things like open interest, and this is what we need, guys. We need the open interest to decrease and stay down here for a little while, because it shows that the market is not being as greedy as it once was. Even though we were in fear, the market was still acting greedy by trying to leverage trade everything. You can see now longs are getting liquidated, shorts are getting liquidated right before a massive catalyst event, potential catalyst event tomorrow. So this is something that makes me a little bit hopeful. Something that makes me very hopeful, guys, is going to be the global M2 money supply. Many of you guys are going to have seen that we already are printing new highs, and it looks like it's bottomed right about beginning of March. Historically, Bitcoin has lagged this by 75 days, so that's going to be the end of March. So is this going to be like a final shakeout of the market? I know final shakeout, we say final shakeout how many times? The final shakeout before eventually we do start to have a reversal in market trends. It could be. Bitcoin isn't looking bad. You can see we are coiling. This is going to coil until potentially mid-March, right? So about 16th of March. We are still printing higher lows in the shorter time frame, so on the 4 hour. However, we still got a massive level of resistance above us that we do need to break. It's not going to be easy, but as long as we do stay in this macro structure and we stay above here, maybe in the long zone, it really was a bear trap, and that was why it was called the long zone, right? We're hedging our bets against the market sentiment. It would be lovely if we only have to endure another 20 or 19 days. And what you're going to see is in the RSI, we could potentially be having a breakout pretty soon. Again, this is the macro, right? So we've got all of this to enjoy to the upside. Now, do I think that we're going to just break up and have a blow off top all the way into April and then that's it? No, I think it's going to be a prolonged uptrend. And again, if market cycles are correct, then we've got like another 7 or 8 months, I believe it is, for the rest of the cycle. We still got a lot of work to do, guys. We've got to break this median line, and then we have to reverse this trend back bullish. And then once we do break out, we can enjoy the breakout to 1.6 trillion. Moreover, look at the DXY, okay? Dollar bull trap, altcoin bottom, and then boom, crypto top. Dollar bull trap, altcoin bottom, crypto top. Dollar bull trap and the altcoin bottom, crypto top. So if the DXY continues to decrease, then maybe this could be another catalyst that's going to add to the snowball effect of the recovery in the markets. And again, these things usually happen when sentiment is completely flush. And even the fact that I want to add some hedge shorts tomorrow and I'm worried that a bullish catalyst is going to send the market down maybe shows that the retail sentiment really is in the bin right now. But it's going to be decision time pretty soon, guys. So it's just a quick video to say we need to be locked in for tomorrow. Again, ETH still printing lower highs and lower lows. So this is why I do still think that ETH looks terrible and it still could be on its path down to 1700. And maybe tomorrow, where everyone's expecting, you know, all these big names to be there for it to be bullish for the market, we do get just absolutely rugged. We get a flush down to the 1700s. Everybody just seems to think nothing positive will ever enter the market. And then we start to bottom between like 1500 to 1700 and have our reversal. Altcoins coming up to a decision time pretty soon as well. If we do hold this trend line here, we're successfully printing higher lows and a change of structure in this macro structure. Again, we said we're going to be targeting a double near the shmoney zone at around 1.58 trillion. And if you want to be timing specific, guys, do you remember what was meant to happen around the 26th of March? That was when the global M2 money supply was showing that we should have a reversal in Bitcoin. So if we do coil up for our altcoins up until the 25th of March, which would be in line with something like this, we maybe for altcoins have a bit of rejection tomorrow, come down, continue to print higher lows, then we have our blast off. Then we can say, right, we really can start to get going, and this is the true breakout. You guys let me know how you feel. Are you bullish or bearish? Are you looking forward to tomorrow? Are you holding US crypto coins? I think, if anything, that's going to be the hardest mover in this next leg of the bull run. So again, we're going to be here tomorrow live and direct. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any updates that happen in the crypto conference. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Peace.